Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, so today we will start with a new topic in English language, conjunctions. Chapter number 16, page number 112. Chapter number 16,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
All right, chapter number 16, page number 112.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so I think that all of you must have done conjunctions before also. Who will tell me what is a
Yes.
conjunction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what is a conjunction?
They are the words which join two sentences or two words together.
All right. For example,
And
Ma'am, and
hmm.
but,
all,
all,
Okay.
nor,
Okay.
for, yet, so.
All
ma'am,
right.
but,
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So conjunctions are words which are used to join. They can join two words, they can join two phrases, they can join two clauses, or they can join two sentences. Okay. What is a phrase? Class 7th, does anyone know what is a phrase? You must have done the difference between phrase and a sentence.
Ma'am, a small group of words standing together as a conceptual unit, typically forming a component of.
Yes, I want this in your own words. What do you understand by a phrase? Okay, first tell me what is a sentence. Give me the definition of a sentence.
Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense.
Okay, so a group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Now, what is a phrase? A group of words which make some sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. Alright? So, phrase also is a group of words but it does not make a complete sense. It makes some sense but not a complete sense. Like during the day, in the class, like it is making some sense that okay, something happened during the class or in the morning or during the day. All right, but what that we don't know. So it is making some sense but not a complete sense, so it is called as a phrase. Now conjunction also joins two clauses. Now what is a clause? Have you done clause before? I think in class 6 you must have done. Have you done it before? Even if you don't remember, just let me know whether you have done it or not.
ma'am,
No,
don't
ma'am.
remember.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You have not done it? Okay.
No, ma'am.
So, clause is just like a phrase is a part of a sentence. Clause is also a part of a sentence. Alright? But it is different in the manner that it contains a subject and predicate of its own, and it also contains a verb in it. Alright, so what is a clause? Part of a sentence which contains subject and predicate of its own. It also has a verb in it. Okay, so now that is a clause. Now clauses can be of two types. Main two types of clauses are there. One is independent clause or the principal or the main clause. We can call it independent clause. Sometimes it is referred to as the principal clause or the main clause. And the second is the dependent or the subordinate clause. Okay, so now what is an independent principal or a main clause? That part of a sentence which can stand on its own as a complete sentence and it does not require the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete. Now that is called as an independent principal or main clause. Independent means it is not dependent on the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete. Whereas a dependent or a subordinate clause requires the rest of the sentence to make its sense complete. Okay? Alright, so conjunctions are words which are used to join two words, two phrases, two clauses, or two sentences. Now, there are certain kinds of conjunctions.
Mummy, voice is breaking.
Beta,
Your voice is not coming.
not coming. How is that possible, not coming? Might be some lagging or breaking. What about the others? Are you able to hear me?
Mom, it is lagging.
It is
Mom, it's breaking.
breaking.
Ma'am, in between it is breaking and lagging.
Okay. Might be beta some network issues, obviously. None of us can do anything about it. And so, have some patience. Maybe in a while it will become better. And if you miss anything, then you can go through the recording which I'll post on the group. Okay? And as you know, when you hear that, there will be no lagging in that. Alright, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, kinds of conjunctions. Now, there are in this chapter here, they are talking about three types of conjunctions. And first is the coordinating conjunction. So, what are coordinating conjunctions? They are words such as and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so, and they are used to join two independent clauses. Means those part of the sentence which can stand on their own as complete sentence, contains subject and predicate, and does not require the rest of the sentence to make their sense complete. So, coordinating conjunctions are used to join independent clauses, and they are and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so. Okay. For example, Sally doesn't eat fruits, nor does she eat salads. I hate to waste fuel, for it is very expensive these days. Alright, next we have the use of these coordinating conjunctions, that why these coordinating conjunctions are used. Alright, now we use for because it explains why. Can you please carry this bag? Means why I want you to carry this bag? For I have already two other bags in my hands. So for explains that why. Okay. Second is and. And means in addition to. Means there's something, and in addition to there's something else. Like they came and helped me. Means not only they came, but they also helped. So that is the use of the word and. Then but. But shows contrast. You can go there, but you cannot meet him. There are two opposite things, that though you are going there, but you won't be able to meet him. Then or, it shows choice, an alternative, or advice. Like advice, work hard or you will fail the exam. Then alternative, when you are giving an option, an alternative, either this or this. Like you can opt for science or commerce. Then choice option, she may wait or go home. So two choices are available. So or is used to show choice, alternative, or advice. Then nor, you know it means and not. So I am not fond of football nor cricket, means both the things I don't like. I am not neither fond of football nor cricket. Yet it means despite something, that he is poor yet honest, means though he being poor yet he is honest. So despite something, there is also something else, that though he is poor but still he is honest. So shows reason. He was hungry, so he ate up all the cake. Why he ate up all the cake? Because he was hungry. So we are giving a reason that why he ate up all the cake. So he was hungry and so he ate up all the cake. Okay, now we have the first exercise here. Join each pair of sentences using the coordinating conjunction given in the bracket. So the words are already given. You simply have to put them in the proper place and make changes if there should be any. First one. Ants are small, they are strong. Yes, what will be the sentence? Yes. Come on, class. Join these two.
Ants are strong, but they are. Ants are small, but they are strong.
Alright, ants are small, but they are strong. Right, correct. Ants are small, but they are strong. Second, we can go to the theatre for a film. We can watch the cricket match at home. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, we can go to
We
the
can go to
theater
the theater
or for a
or
film
for
for a film, or we can watch the cricket at.
Alright, so we can go to the theatre for a film or we can watch the cricket match at home. Correct. Third one. Meena wrote a poem on her mother. She did not show it to her.
Meena wrote a poem on her mother, but she did not show it to her.
Okay, correct. Meena wrote a poem on her mother, but she did not show it to her. Next, I am unwell. I had to stay home. Use the word so.
I was unwell,
Hmm.
so I had to stay
So I
home.
have to stay home.
Okay, correct. I was unwell, so I had to stay home. Next one. The thieves broke the locks on the front door. They entered the house easily.
The thieves broke the locks on the front door, so they entered the home easily.
Alright. Okay, the thieves broke the locks on the front door, so they entered the house easily. Next one. Outside, a storm raged. We were safe inside the hotel room.
Outside, a storm raged, but we were safe inside the hotel room.
Correct. Outside, a storm raged, but we were safe inside the hotel room. Next, Anu has never learned how to draw. She can sketch almost anything. Use the word yet.
Anu has never learned how to draw, yet she can sketch almost anything.
Good. Anu has never learned how to draw, yet she can sketch almost anything. So here you don't have to make many changes, just remove the full stop there and put the word in between. Next one, eighth one. The children wanted to surprise their parents. They hid their gifts under the bed.
The children wanted to surprise their parents, so they hid their gifts under the bed.
Alright, correct. The children wanted to surprise their parents, so they hid their gifts under the bed. Ninth, Jaya can remain indoors. She can take an umbrella and go out.
Jaya can stay indoors or she can take an umbrella and go out.
Okay, right. Jaya can remain indoors or she can take an umbrella and go out. Last night it was really cold. I drank a cup of hot milk and curled up with a book. Use the word so.
Last night it was
Last night-
really cold. Last night it was really cold, so I drank a cup of hot milk and curled up
With a book. Alright, correct.
book.
Alright, that is right. Last night it was really cold, so I drank a cup of hot milk and curled up with a book. 11th, dark clouds gathered above the football stadium. There was a heavy downpour and. Use the word and.
Dark, clou-
Hmm?
dark clouds gathered above the football stadium, and there was a heavy downpour.
Alright, correct. Dark clouds gathered above the football stadium and there was a heavy downpour. Next, the mission was successful. It took many weeks to complete it. Use the word but.
Ma'am, the mission was
mission-
successful, but I took many weeks to complete it.
But it took. Alright? Okay, so the mission was successful, but it took many weeks to complete it. Next, I was sure I was being followed. I turned to see who it was. There was no one behind me. You have to, because there are three sentences here, and you have to join all to make one. So use the words so and but.
I was sure I was being followed, so I turned to see who it was, but there was no one behind me.
Alright, correct. I was sure I was being followed, so I turned to see who it was, but there was no one behind me. 14th, I was determined to do well in the examination. I studied very hard. Use the word so.
I was determined to do well in the examination, so I studied very hard.
Alright, so I was determined to do well in the examination, so I studied very hard. And we pronounce it as determined. Alright? Okay, next. The last one in the exercise A. People in the southern hemisphere wear shorts and t-shirts on Christmas Day. It is very hot there at that time. Use the word for.
People in the southern hemisphere wear shorts and t-shirts on Christmas Day, for it is very hot there at that time.
Okay. People in the southern hemisphere wear shorts and t-shirts on Christmas Day, for it is very hot at that time. Correct. Okay. And let's get back to the warm-up exercise also, and then we'll come back to exercise B. Let's do the warm-up exercise. Correct the use of conjunctions in these sentences. They have used the wrong conjunction there. You just have to correct it. I'll bat unless you ball. I'll bat. What will be the word?
And you bowl.
And you ball. And is also okay.
And
I'll bat. You can also use the word if.
So you bowl.
No, not so.
ma'am, and
I'll bat and you bowl, or you can also use I'll bat if you bowl. Second one, you can eat your food with a spoon but a fork.
ma'am, or
Okay, you can eat your food with a spoon or a fork. Right. Rajesh likes soccer because Amar likes cricket.
ma'am, but
Rajesh likes soccer but Amar likes cricket, or you can also use while Rajesh likes soccer while Amar likes cricket. So but while, any of these you can use. Mother wanted to make apple pie unless there were no apples.
Mother wanted to make apple pie, but there were no apples.
Okay, correct. Mother wanted to make apple pie but there were no apples. You can watch television until you can play in the park.
Or you can play in the park.
Or you can play in the park, right? It was raining because they played carom.
It was raining, so they played carom.
Right, it was raining, so they played carom. We could not go to the amusement park. Sorry, we could not go to the amusement park whereas it was closed.
because
All right,
because-
right. We could not go to the amusement park because it was closed. Turn off the stove until the stew boils. Turn off the stove when the stew boils. Use the word when. Turn off the stove when the stew boils. The cat is very brave if the dog is not.
ma'am, and
The cat is the
Ma'am,
cat
but-
is very brave, but the dog is not.
Right, the cat is very brave but the dog is not. I did not go swimming whether it was raining.
Ma'am, because
Not
Yes, because I did not go swimming because it was raining. Right. Okay. Let's come to exercise B. Join each pair of sentences using a suitable coordinating conjunction. So earlier they have provided in the first exercise, they have provided you with the words with the coordinating conjunctions. Here they have not provided you. You have to add them on their own using a suitable coordinating conjunction. Okay, let's see how you do it. Hurry up, you'll miss the train.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, hurry up or you will miss
Yes,
the
correct. Hurry up or you'll miss the train. Next, he is learned. He is learned. He is experienced. Yes, he is learned. He is experienced.
ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Don't worry, it will become better in a while. Yes, he is learned. He is
Ma'am, your voice
experienced.
is not coming.
Yes, class. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
all right. He is learned. He is experienced.
He is learned and experienced.
Right.
Ma'am,
He is.
and he.
Yes, correct. He is learned and experienced. I like milk. I like fruit juice more.
Ma'am,
But
I like milk, but I like.
Okay, correct. I like milk, but I like fruit juice more. Next, I woke up late. I forgot to set my alarm.
ma'am,
because
because I am late
because
because I followed.
because I forgot to set the alarm.
Okay, I woke up late because I forgot to set my alarm. Or you can also use the word for I forgot to set my alarm. So I woke up late because I forgot to set my alarm. Next, I stayed up late last night. I am tired today. So, right. I stayed up late last night, so I am tired today.
Enough pizza, he will not share.
He has got enough pizza. He'll not share it.
Ma'am, though.
Though, not though,
But
but okay. He has got enough pizza, but he'll not share it. So, though he has got enough, but he'll not share it. Next, it snowed for 3 days. The roads were all blocked.
Ma'am, so
Right? It snowed for 3 days, so the roads were all blocked. Number 8. Sahil completed his homework. He put it in his school bag.
ma'am, and
But
And
ma'am,
Sahil completed his homework and he put it in his school bag. And the gardener mowed the lawn. He earned 100 rupees.
ma'am,
I'm so
ma'am, so.
ma'am,
And is better. The gardener mowed the lawn and earned 100 rupees. Next, Maya doesn't like leafy vegetables. She doesn't like salads.
ma'am, nor
Okay, nor also you can use. Maya doesn't like leafy vegetables nor salads. You can also use or. Maya doesn't like leafy vegetables or salads. So, nor or. 11th, my pencil was broken. I borrowed one from my friend.
Ma'am,
So, yes, correct. My pencil was broken, so I borrowed one from my friend. 12th, the shoes are old fashioned. They are very comfortable.
ma'am,
But, right?
but
Yes, but is right. The shoes are old fashioned but very comfortable. She didn't attend the class. She didn't take the test either.
ma'am, or.
ma'am, nor
Nor she didn't attend the class, nor did she take the test. She didn't attend the class, nor did she take the test. 14th, the train was crowded. Many passengers could not board it.
Ma'am, because
so,
So,
ma'am,
so, no, not because. So, the train was crowded. That is why many passengers could not board it. Okay, so the train was crowded, so many passengers could not board it. 15th, I am sure they can do the job. They seem to be interested in it.
but
Alright.
because
No, sorry. It is, I am sure they can do the job. Full stop. They don't seem to be interested in it. So what will you use?
Ma'am, and
Not and. They don't seem to be interested. But
Ma'am, yet.
but I'm sure they can do the job, but they don't seem to be interested in it. But 16th, detectives carried out a thorough search. They weren't able to find anything.
Your voice is not coming.
Okay.
ma'am, nor.
Detectives carried out a thorough search. Nor, no, not nor. Yes. Provide me with a but. Okay. Detectives carried out a thorough search, but they weren't able to find anything. So we'll use but. Next, you are late. You can attend the program with the permission of the secretary.
Ma'am, so.
I'm so
So loud.
So you can attend the program with the permission. I think but will be better. You are late, but you can attend the program with the permission of the secretary. You are late, but still you can, that is what it means, but still you can attend the program with the permission of the secretary. So use the word but. The last one in this exercise, Sally had to collect pictures. She had to make a collage for the science project.
Ma'am, because.
Because.
Sally had to collect pictures because she had to make a collage for the science project. You can also use the word for. So you can use either because or for. Sally had to collect pictures for she had to make a collage for the science project, or Sally had to collect pictures because she had to make a collage for the science project. Have you missed anything in exercise A, B or warm up?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
15th.
ma'am, 15th one.
15th in exercise A or B?
Ma'am, B.
B is I am sure they can do the job, but they don't seem to be interested in it. But
Ma'am, B16.
B16th is again but detectives carried out a thorough search, but they weren't able to find anything. Yes. Any other sentence?
no, ma'am.
All right.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so
Please, can you repeat
18th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sally had to collect pictures because she had to make a collage for the science project, or you can also use the word for. Sally had to collect pictures for she had to make a collage for the science project. So either for or because.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So we'll end the class here for today.